The HP OfficeJet Pro 9125E is a multi-function inkjet printer designed for small to medium offices, combining printing, scanning, copying, and faxing capabilities. It includes intelligent features such as AI-enhanced formatting and comes with a 3-month instant ink trial, making it a versatile solution for document workflows. Print performance and quality. This printer delivers up to 22 pages per minute in black and 18 pages per minute in color. It supports high-resolution printing, up to 1200 x 1200 rendered DPI for black and up to 4800 x 1200 optimized DPI for color. All-in-one functionality. The device supports full multifunction capability, print, scan, copy, and fax. An automatic document feeder, ADF, of 35 sheets enables efficient multi-page scanning and copying. Duplex double-sided printing and scanning are also built in, saving paper and effort. Paper handling and media support. The printer features a standard 250-sheet input tray and a 60-sheet output tray. It supports a variety of paper types, from plain paper and recycled paper to glossy, matte, and specialty media. And standard sizes including A4, A5, B5, envelopes, photo sizes, and more. It also supports wide format media up to 11x17. Connectivity and mobile printing. Dual band Wi-Fi, 2.4 GHz. 5 GHz with a self-healing feature ensures stable wireless connections. The printer is compatible with mobile printing solutions like Apple AirPrint, Mopria, Wi-Fi Direct, and HP's mobile app, so users can print, scan, copy, or fax from smartphones or tablets. Security and reliability. The printer includes HP Wolf Pro security to safeguard your documents and network data. It also uses dynamic security, meaning it is designed to operate only with cartridges that include a valid firmware updates may disable incompatible or unapproved cartridges. Ink and supply management. The printer comes with a 3-month trial of HP Instant Ink when you activate HP Plus. During the trial, you may get a certain number of pages, might be to the 100 pages, as part of the service. Afterward, a subscription is required unless canceled. It supports HP 936 series cartridges and higher yield E cartridges for extended use. Display and interface. The printer is equipped with a 2.7-inch capacitive touchscreen for control and navigation. It also has a processor clocked at 1.2 GHz with 512 MB memory to handle document tasks. In summary, the HP OfficeJet Pro 9125E is a robust all-in-one printer tailored for office environments that require quality color prints, duplex scanning, reliable connectivity, and smart features to streamline workflows. Its integrated AI formatting, security mechanisms, and support for subscription ink plans make it a strong candidate for modern offices seeking efficiency and ease of use.